Hey guys, Thomas Hutcherson with Q3Trading.com. It's Monday afternoon, 2:41, 2:42 Central Time. We're just a few minutes, less than 20 minutes away from the close. Looking at this LGVN, since the last update, it was trading higher above $20. It formed what's called a wedge pattern for those that study price action. And you can see this wedge which formed right here, and then it broke higher again on very high volume, and now we're in another trade halt, and it's just going to reopen. I was going to show you, just missed it, all the volume that came in the time in sales prior to that last trade halt at the where it was stopped trading just above 26.50, I think it was. Anyway, this is fascinating to take a look at this. It's a position I've been in for several days. The right hand chart is a 20-minute. Each candle represents 20 minutes of data being put into it, and the time frame on the left is a 30-second candlestick chart. So we've got a lot of action coming into this equity today that is here in the last hour. Actually, you can see for today's action, the majority of the volume has been in this afternoon session. Millions of shares now. Let's see here, if we go to a daily chart, and let's see what we've got. 2-week daily candles. Okay, so we're now at 100 million shares today, which is slightly more than Friday's volume. And Thursday we actually had 250 million shares, which drove it higher. So we've seen just an incredible amount of volume come into this stock, and it's had its second trade halt now on the day, coming into the last 30 minutes of trading. So like I've stated, I'm out most of my position. I'm still holding a little bit, and I'm just going to, what I plan on doing with my position on this is just trailing it under, taking a prior day's low and then trailing it, either that or a volatility stop. One of the two is what I like to use on the final amount of shares that I'm holding. My guess is this thing will open up tomorrow, and we might see some support in here around this yesterday's high, which is about $15. I'm thinking that might be a support area, and my stop will actually be under that area as well. So I want to give it some room, because like I say, when you trade in the markets, you want to what I like to do is I like to average into a position and average out of a position. That way I keep my losses small, and that allows me to put more capital to work in winning positions. And so I've already got a winning position here. It's just a matter on now, where I'm going to take the remainder off the table. So it doesn't do me any harm to go ahead and just let this move as high as it wants to go, and trail it from there, the remainder shares that I have. All right, well, I hope everybody's having a terrific day. This is Thomas Hutcherson with Q3Trading.com. We'll talk to you later. Have a nice day, everybody. Bye-bye.